And for the rest of the country, I'm appealing as a representative of those people in our temple of democracy. Do not watch this tragedy like the Europeans or the Westerners have done when tragedy happens in Rwanda. The fight between Tutsis and Hutus, are you going to say that, oh, Kuki and Meiteis are fighting? That attitude is what the government of India is trying to preach by allowing this violence to go on for 16 months. And I think our leader Rahulji is very decent when he said the Prime Minister should visit. He has appealed as a national leader. I often wonder if none of the national leaders have not visited, what would have people felt? They would have felt abandoned. The government of India has already abandoned the people of Manipur, and thankfully our party leaders have not. And today also you can see that AICC is still organizing a press conference. That shows whether you are a small state or a big state, all Indians are Indian, all union states of these unions are equally deserving of the dignity that each of the constituent unit of this country must have. I think this is something that I want to place in front of you. Please communicate this message and make sure that the Prime Minister at least comes back to his senses and try to intervene decisively, ask his security forces to act, rein in the violence, and denounce all kind of sectarian-based political demands. That kind of politics must also be rejected. Only then this peace will come back. These two needs to be done. I think the people have already spoken out, the people of Manipur, despite their tragedies. And I think the situation is, if you allow this to go on, the kind of sentiment, I hope still that it remains towards the BJP. It should not turn towards the country. And the BJP is making in such a sensitive state the sense of abandonment and neglect, and in fact also complicit in some way with the violence is not a good sign for this country. I think government of India must realize this sooner the better. Thank you.